Delve into the world of buffalo dairy farming and discover the potential for profit. Explore the strategies and techniques that can maximize earnings in buffalo dairy farms. Learn how to manage resources efficiently to enhance the profitability of your dairy farm. Discover the key factors that influence the financial success of a buffalo dairy farm. Uncover the challenges and opportunities in the buffalo dairy industry to make informed decisions. Gain insights into market trends and consumer demands to stay competitive in the dairy sector. Embrace innovation and technology to drive growth and profitability in buffalo dairy farming. Understand the importance of sustainability and ethical practices in sustaining a successful dairy business. Join the journey towards a thriving buffalo dairy farm that balances profit with animal welfare and environmental stewardship. Take the first step towards a prosperous buffalo dairy farm and unlock the potential for long-term financial gains.